There is impact of elements from water, dirt, algae, animals, there's bats, there's woodpeckers, there's damage all over the place. This house is in really rough shape, so we are gonna do some magic in this house. So you guys can see how effective this soft washing system is. You can see how dramatic it looks before and after. Soft washing is a procedure used with soft water pressure, kind of like the pressure that comes out of your water faucet at home. So it's very low pressure combined with a chemical called sodium hypochlorite, a fancy name for concentrated bleach, other known as pool shock. So it's 12.5% strong. The one you buy at the house is about 5% give or take. The chemical we apply here, we do it in a professional way. So it's very important that you guys maintain your roof clean. If you have a 20-year shingle roof and it's full of algae, well, that algae will begin to degrade the life of that roof. So it's important to get your roof clean. The shingle manufacturers, I actually recommend you get it cleaned by a soft washing system. Today we are in Los Fresnos working on this beautiful country house. I just love these houses that have the porch wrapping around. This house just looks gorgeous, beautiful. Customers gonna be able to put some rocking chairs out there and enjoy their new paint job. You can see how deteriorated this house was. Had a lot of mold and algae, had plants growing already from the algae. This is day 2 of washing. There's still a lot of mildew. We treated it with some chemical. We're giving it another wash. Some other areas are already clean. So that's where the guys are working on, and they're beginning to caulk the areas that we can. Caulking, we're gonna be doing the wood repair today as well. We're gonna be spot priming all the new wood, make sure we have all the new wood nice and primed. It is gonna be cedar. The crew down here, they're pressure washing again because there's still a lot of mildew buildup. So we want to make sure that we have a nice clean surface for the new paint to go on. So we're going to be using this Permanizer. It's a PPG's top quality product, is rated for extreme weather. So out here, you got crop fields on one side of the house. You got a channel down here with water. So you got all the elements built up into one. You got all the south wind hitting it with all that dust. We really want to make sure we put a very good coating on this house to protect it for many years to come. PPG's Permanizer is a product that you're going to see all throughout this house. Now, again, we're going to be using the same colors on this house, so not a lot's going to change in terms of color, but beauty is going to be there because it's going to have the Permanizer on there. This project is a wrap. With the help of Cotton here, we were able to utilize this product here. Cotton likes it as well. It's PPG Permanizer. This product really impressed me. This is PPG's high quality paint. One thing I want to emphasize with this product, look how shiny it is. You can see the thickness of the paint. Give us a call. We got a product for you. We'll make sure we do it right, and we'll make sure we leave you a long lasting project. Customer has peace of mind that this job, this project, their house is going to continue to look beautiful for many years to come.